Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most important updates in the world of enterprise data protection, IBM Storage Protect version 8.2. If you are a storage admin, VMware engineer, database specialist, or even just curious about backup modernization, this update is something you don't want to miss. This release brings modern platform support, new cloud capabilities, major security enhancement, better diagnostics, and much more. So let's jump straight into the highlights. SP 8.2 is all about staying future ready. IBM has packed this release with enhancement in cloud integration, security, long-term retention and serviceability. Whether you are managing VMs, databases, cloud workload or enterprise apps, this release has something for you. Let's start with one of the biggest enhancement, S3 Glacier support through the Storage Protect Object Agent. SP 8.2 now allows AWS S3 client to send backup data to the Storage Protect S3 interface using the Glacier storage class. What does that mean? Super cost effective storage for long term retention, Glacier like archival benefits, and the data can be stored in tape based backend pool in Storage Protect. That's the best of both worlds. Cloud workflows with tape economics. Another major addition is reclamation rule support for object lock enabled cloud container pools. Earlier, pools with object lock enabled couldn't use reclamation effectively. Now you can define reclamation rules, reduce cloud storage cost, maintain warm compliance, keep locked object untouched. This is a huge win for organization with strict compliance or retention needs. There is also useful enhancement for the query connection command, which now shows the expiry timestamp for Azure SaaS tokens. No more guessing when a token expires. Admins now get complete visibility and can plan renewals proactively. The next enhancement is related to security. IBM has extended TLS 1.3 support for server to LDAP and server to operation center. This means stronger encryption, future-proof security standards, and better compliance for enterprises that need hardened environments. SP 8.2 introduces must-gather scripts, automated diagnostic collectors for servers and BA clients. That makes troubleshooting smarter. Instead of manually gathering logs and system info, a single script packages everything needed for IBM support. This improves serviceability, speed of diagnosis, accuracy of troubleshooting. Support teams will love this one. Next, hardware updates. SP 8.2 now supports LTO-10 tape drives, giving you higher capacity, better performance, lower cost per TB for archival storage. Great for customers still relying on tape for long-term retention. In this release, IBM has also focused to simplify documentation. Operation Center documentation is now fully integrated into the main storage product documentation set, and there is now one unified What's New section for the entire IBM Storage Protect family. No more jumping around different pages. It's clean, organized, and much easier to navigate. SP 8.2 also brings several platform compatibility updates. SP Server is now supported on Ubuntu 22.04. BA clients can now support RHEL 10, SLES 15, SP6, and SP7, AX 7.3 TL3. NetApp Snapdeep validation for ONTAP 9.15 and 9.16 supported. HSM support for Scale 5.2.3 on RHEL 9.6 and SLES 15 SP7. SAP for Oracle on RHEL 9.4 and SAP for DB2 11.5 on RHEL 9.6 is supported. Backup for Microsoft Exchange SE on Windows Server 2025 supported. Data protection for SQL and Oracle on Windows Server 2005 also supported. This ensures you can safely modernize your infrastructure without worrying about backup compatibility. And finally, SP 8.2 resolves several issues reported in older 8.1.x versions, improving stability, performance, operational reliability. This release is designed to be smoother in real-world deployments. For more details on the APARs fixed in this version, please check the link in the description. So that's everything new in IBM Storage Protect 8.2, from enhanced cloud integration and stronger security to improved diagnostics and next-gen tape support. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more IBM Storage Protect content, and leave your questions down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.